Today, I'm going to teach you how to set email forwarding in the Google Workspace admin console. This is incredibly useful if you need to automatically redirect emails from one account to another, whether for monitoring, backup purposes, or ensuring important messages reach the right team members. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and type admin.google.com into the search bar. Click on the first official link that appears to navigate directly to the Google Workspace admin console. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your organization's Google Workspace environment. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as standard users won't have access to these settings. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look to the left side panel and click on Apps. This section gives you access to all the applications available in your workspace, allowing you to configure settings for each one individually. Scroll down through the list of apps until you find Gmail, then click on it. This will take you to the Gmail settings interface, where you can manage email-related configurations for your entire organization. Now scroll down through the Gmail settings page until you locate default routing. This is the feature that controls how emails are automatically forwarded within your workspace. It's a powerful tool that lets you route messages to specific addresses based on your organization's needs. Once you've found default routing, click on either Edit or Add Forwarding Address, depending on what's currently displayed. If you've never set up forwarding before, you'll likely see the Add option. In the dialog box that appears, type the email address where you want emails forwarded to. This could be another internal account, an external email address, or even a distribution list. You'll also see an option to choose whether to keep a copy of the forwarded emails in the original inbox. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain a record in the source account while still ensuring the messages reach their intended destination. Make your selection based on your organization's requirements. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your forwarding rule will now be active, and emails will begin routing according to the settings you've configured. This setup ensures seamless email management across your workspace, keeping communication flowing efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.